Most people get frustrated when AppStation stops working, but here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the app is not broken. It is usually a simple issue with permissions, offers, or network settings that can be fixed in minutes. In this video, you will learn exactly why AppStation stops working in 2026, the most common causes, and step-by-step fixes you can try right now to get it running again. Let's get straight into it. First, the most common issue is internet connectivity. AppStation relies heavily on stable connections because it constantly loads game offers and tracks your activity. If your internet is weak or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, the app may freeze or stop tracking progress. Someone like Alex might think the app is broken, but in reality, it is just unstable network access. Now here's where it gets interesting. Another major issue is background restrictions. On many phones, especially Android devices, battery optimization can block apps from running properly in the background. That means AppStation cannot track your playtime correctly. So even if you are playing games, the app might not register your activity. Here's what you should check next. Go into your phone settings and make sure AppStation has permission for storage, background data, and unrestricted battery usage. This alone fixes the issue for many users like Jake, who suddenly see their earnings start updating again after enabling permissions. Another common problem is outdated versions. AppStation frequently updates its system, and older versions can stop syncing properly. If you are using an outdated version, the app may fail to load games or show blank offers. Updating it from the official store usually resolves this instantly. But here's the problem most users miss. Sometimes the issue is not your phone at all. It is server-side or offer availability. AppStation depends on advertisers, and if there are no active offers in your region, the app may look like it is not working when it is actually just empty. Now let's talk about cache issues. Over time, cache data can become corrupted and cause loading errors. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app often refreshes everything and fixes hidden bugs. So what should you do step by step? First, check your internet. Then update the app. Next, adjust permissions and battery settings. After that, clear cache or reinstall if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem. To wrap it up, AppStation not working is usually not a serious issue. It is almost always related to settings, updates, or network conditions. Once you fix these basics, the app typically starts working normally again. If this helped you fix your issue, like the video, share what problem you had in the comments, and subscribe for more simple app fixes and honest breakdowns like this.